Here's an interesting app called StoryFront for Instagram stories. So just tap get to install it and then just double click to install it. And then, yeah, you can see fonts for Instagram stories and then you can just open it up. 300 plus fonts for Instagram story. Our app offers a wide variety of fonts in multiple languages. Customize your text styles, backgrounds, colors, and animations to create unique stories that reflect your style and creativity. The ultimate font app for Instagram stories and beyond. With a vast collection of plus 300 stylish fonts, you can effortlessly customize your text in seconds. Stand out with unique text styles, typography, design, and text effects. Whether it's for your Instagram stories, TikTok videos, Telegram, or in short Figma, Canva, StoryFront empowers you to elevate your stories and designs with professional fonts that captivate your audience attention. Select from over 300 cool fonts, font import, paste the text directly, text effects, and yeah, so just open it up. Let's see how it works. You can allow some notifications and do some. And then you can just basically write something and then you can make it bigger. There are all types of shadows, borders, underlines. For some things you need to upgrade. So here you can also do some line spacing, letter spacing, background opacity. There are some settings. Background for workspace. And then in the bottom you just select fonts, of course, and then you just select all this kind of fonts. You can also import any font. You can download font, and then, for example, yeah, you can really get very customizable and then so many different colors. You can also install some like very interesting animations. And then you can just copy that and then copy that for your Instagram story. Copy for Telegram story. Now there are also stories for Telegram. Copy for Telegram sticker. Save as an image for InShot. Save in gallery. To copy you need to, okay, so there is some prop background. Or you can just use simple text, then you just need to select some different font. Yeah, some things you just need to upgrade here. But yeah, you can just play with it. As you can see, it's like endless customization. It's pretty cool. And then, yeah, unfortunately, you will need to watch an ad to get that. And then you just basically open your Instagram and you can use it in your Instagram story. Also, you can upgrade to Pro. So what is that? Like if you upgrade to Pro, then it's yearly just $15, yearly, weekly $1. So like you can pay per week. It will be around like $4 per month. Also lifetime $30 lifetime subscription. So yeah, that's what it is. So give it a try.